Ginanap ngayong araw ng ika-5 ng Enero taong 2024 ang paglagda ng Memorandum of Agreement sa pakikipagtulungan ng UP Mindanao at ang Alejandra L. Navarro National High School para sa implementasyon ng sports track program para sa mga senior high na mag-aaral ng nasabing paaralan. Makakatulong ang nasabing programa para sa mga atletang mag-aaral.
Good morning, ma'am. So, on this day, you held your implementation of a sports track program. So, can you give us a brief overview of what this plan is all about?
Yeah, so this is a Adopt a School program in collaboration with AL Navarro High School. So, UP Mindanao will be a partner of the high school to help them implement their sports track program, especially for their senior high schools. From what I've learned from their principal, they already have sports track programs for their junior high, but they still don't have that for their senior high. So they to be able to implement that, they need a partnership. And so this partnership will help them establish their own sports track program. And that will also be a benefit or advantage to UP Mindanao because eventually these senior high students can also be absorbed by the university because we also have our own sports programs here in UP Mindanao.
Masaya rin ang kawani ng Alejandra Navarro National High School para sa oportunidad at nagpasalamat sa lahat ng naging bahagi nito.
We feel very glad and we are very thankful, ma'am, sa UP Mindanao for the partnership that we had since we already have SPS students at saka may track na po na pupuntahan yung mga students namin in the senior high school.
Okay, so what are you most looking forward to about this signing of memorandums?
We look forward for the partnership, ma'am, especially yung exposure at saka intervention dito sa facilities ng mga students namin kasi yung iba naman yung students ay hindi pa nakakapunta sa mga yung mga standard na mga playing area at saka yung mga venues ng mga events. So they will be encouraged kapag nakita nila yung mga facilities natin dito sa Davao City, especially dito sa UP Mindanao, na standardized na at saka mga yung internationally competitive na po. We are very thankful, especially na sa ating mga local government officials na fully supported dito sa mga endeavors natin sa sports. Especially na kay Congressman Ungab, Congressman Garcia at saka Congressman Duterte. Also sa ating butihing mayor ay Mayor Baste. And hindi natin kakalimutan yung ating chancellor, napakabait, si Ma'am po at saka ang iba pa sila Sir Erwin nag-facilitate ng event na ito. Especially na kay Congressman Ungab po dito sa District 3.
Sa pagsasagawa at pagpapatupad ng programang ito, hangad ng lahat ang tagumpay at paglago ng lahat ng atletang mag-aaral. Maraming salamat sa panonood.